Kai. We will need your sister's help to get through the toxic bogs.
Understood. She should be at Ed and Edna's junkyard.
We're seeing my parents? Oh, man! If I'd known, I could have brought my dirty laundry!
Way to impress Nia, man. So why do we need her help?
The toxic bogs have recently flooded. We will need Nia's grapple device.
Can't we just take a boat in?
Certainly. If you don't mind the boat and its passengers melting.
I think I would mind that, Cole.
Yeah, Cole. Why are you always trying to get us melted?
All right, you guys. Try to keep up. There's some kind of weird helicopter in the sky behind me. Do you see it?
Do not worry. It is a serpentine rattlecopter.
Serpentine?
A race of snakes that you have encountered before. We were once at war with their armies, but we are at peace now.
Whoa! Are these bikes serpentine too? Because they sure aren't peaceful.
Yes, this is a worrying development.
No kidding. Watch out behind. There are mines.
So what? The desert's full of mines. Silver, gold...
Explosive mines.
Oh.
Hey, try following me in here. This is gonna be a tight squeeze. That was too close. More of these guys, huh?
Wait, didn't Hibiki say something about Ronin being able to control people with the Obsidian Glaive, as well as steal their memories? He did, yes. Well, could it work on snakes, too?
Yes, I see no reason why not. We must be even more vigilant from now onwards.
Why? Are there other armies from our past we should worry about meeting again?
Several, yes.
Oh, that was actually a joke. I kind of wish I hadn't asked him.
Almost there!
Oh, there are a whole bunch of those snakes! And I doubt my parents have enough snacks for all of us.
There are snacks?
Jay, any chance your parents have something which can deal with our scaly friends?
Junkyard guy?